Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Elena Gomez, and welcome to this week's edition of Neobanking Newsbeat, your concise news bulletin on the latest happenings in the neobanking world. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates from around the world. D360 Bank, Saudi Arabia's pioneering Sharia-compliant digital bank, unveils an exclusive waitlist, providing early access to cutting-edge digital banking services. Customers enjoy fee-free international transfers, account management, and spending abroad with no hidden charges. The user-friendly app offers seamless balance checks, transfers, and bill payments. Rooted in Islamic values, D360 Bank's innovative approach prioritizes convenience, affordability, and security. CEO Mohammed Ghonim encourages customers to join the waitlist, highlighting the bank's commitment to shaping the future of banking through technological innovation and dedication to customer satisfaction. AMP is set to invest $60 million in launching a digital bank tailored for small businesses, collaborating with Engine by Starling. The new division, aimed at sole traders and small businesses, is expected to be in the market by Q1 2025, offering transaction and savings accounts with mobile-friendly features. AMP aims to capture 3 to 6% market share in the SME segment and mitigate funding risks. Despite near-term challenges in AMP Bank's outlook, the initiative is anticipated to positively impact net interest margin in the medium to long term. The announcement led to a 15% decline in AMP's share price. Binance agrees to a $4.3 billion settlement with the U.S. Department of Justice, resolving allegations of anti-money laundering failures, unlicensed money transmission, and sanctions law violations. Founder Changpeng Zhao steps down as CEO, pleads guilty to Bank Secrecy Act violations, and will pay a $50 million fine. Binance forfeits $2.5 billion and incurs a $1.8 billion fine. The settlement, involving the DOJ, Treasury Department, and CFTC, marks one of the largest corporate penalties in U.S. history. Attorney General Merrick Garland notes Binance's assent and emphasizes the consequences for its past actions. MasterCard has secured formal approval to initiate domestic payment processing in China, marking a significant milestone. The approval enables MasterCard to issue yuan-denominated bank cards in the country, tapping into China's extensive payments market. The process began in 2015 when China eased restrictions, and MasterCard formed a joint venture with NUCC. After obtaining necessary certificates and meeting regulatory requirements, the joint venture has now received approval from the People's Bank of China and the National Administration of Financial Regulation to commence domestic bank card clearing activities, reinforcing MasterCard's commitment to an inclusive digital economy. Neobank HM Bradley is discontinuing its consumer operations to focus on selling its technology to traditional banks. CEO Zach Brunk cites challenges in consumer brand growth, leading to a strategic shift to integrate technology with established banks. The pivot follows partnerships and a growth pause in 2021. HM Bradley plans to downsize certain areas while exploring B2B opportunities after securing $13 million in funding. Despite the shift, Brunk expresses optimism for a brighter future through this transition, emphasizing the company's commitment to growth and adaptation in a changing market landscape. And that wraps up this week's edition of Neobanking Newsbeat. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back next week with more news and insights. This is Elena Gomez signing off. Have a great week ahead.